me Ben. Welcome back to Farming and Friends. This is episode 3, and I think today we may get a coop for the chicken. Cause last episode we got chicken, and we may try to get coop for the chicken. So yeah, and yeah, the chicken is wandering over there. So let's try to get some more plants or more seeds. Okay. So yeah, but wait, what's this? What's in this? Oh, so it was like this, poke this, do, like this, exit. Okay. What's happening? Oh my goodness. Spawn. Okay. We went back because it's just the West Time that says not the part I'm filming. So. Okay, we're back. So now we're I said wheat. So now we sell the wheat. Now let's go sell this wheat. Get back. So yeah, we're gonna put this corn in there, then we're gonna do what we do. Like, I have a pot ready anyway, so let's just get the corn ready, you know. Okay, we're back, and I got 2 more corn, so this will be 1,000 in total. And if I if I get 2 more next, that will be another 1,000. That will be, and then I will get enough if I do 4 more after this. So yeah. So I'll be right back, and I'll see you when I got 3,000. When we get the coop. So, guys, we're back, and my second one of my part and disappeared. Come on. You have to buy a new one. I wasn't expecting that. Oh. So I have to buy a new chicken too. I was expecting that. Oh. So let's be back. So guys, I'm thinking about ending the video where I sell this stuff because I did lost my chicken, but I can buy a new one, but that would be all my money. So I may have to make a fence, then the coop, and then buy a new chicken. So yeah, but I didn't get may not get the coop this episode, but maybe next time or next episode I will get the coop, a fence around the coop, and a chicken. So the chicken won't wander off and did what it just did. So right now, when I get back to my farm, so yeah, when I get back to my farm, I'll see you guys and hope you guys have a good day, and you know, I'll say it when I get there. Okay. So I did lose my chicken, but I hope you guys have a good day, and bye. It's happy now. We still have to leave. Oh wait, oh egg. I can pet the chicken. I can pet the chicken. Holy cow.